Hi kids, welcome back to our channel. Today let's learn alphabet A to Z. So let's go kids. J. J is for jellyfish. V. V is for ham. A. A is for apple. S. S is for strawberry. Blue color. B. B is for bear. K. K is for king. P. P is for panda. M. M is for mango. T. T is for tiger. I is for ice cream. E. E is for elephant. Q. Q is for queen bee. H. H is for house. F. F is for fox. J. J is for zebra. D. D is for dog. Z. Z is for gorilla. U. U is for umbrella. R. R is for rabbit. C. C is for crab. O. O is for orange. M. M is for mango. X. X is for X-ray fish. Y. Y is for yak. N. N is for nut. L. L is for lion. Bye bye kids.